In this video, I'll show you how to delete messages in Facebook Messenger permanently using your phone. If you want to remove old chats, sensitive messages, or conversations you no longer need, this guide works on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Go to the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. To delete a single message, tap and hold the message until a menu appears. Select Remove, then choose Remove for you to delete it from your chat permanently. Remember, once deleted, messages cannot be recovered. That's it. That's how you permanently delete messages in Facebook Messenger using your mobile app. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it and subscribe for more Messenger and mobile tutorials.